go to the park and hang out, bro. Like we always did. Hang
Just
out
not with the car.
And yeah, hang out with the car. Fun. Bring everybody out to have some fun, man. Right? See some race cars.
Indoor racing.
Perfect on this side. What's up, man?
What's up, dog? How you doing?
Bien, bien.
You say you're gonna start it on
Yeah.
the
I'll turn it on.
Chacho. Good luck. What happened to our interview, dog?
I don't know, bro.
What happened to our interview? Oh, he packed the car up. What the fuck just happened? Hey, Melvin, I had an interview with your son, and you know, you packed the car up. I don't know what to do now.
He was supposed to give you an interview. Oh, go ahead.
I still know how to thread up.
Fuck. I went from a week to a half day.
Yeah, you should be fine now.
Oh, yeah.
Great time, great people. Green Hornet came. Yeah, just a fucking great time. Gotta do this shit again in Humboldt Park. How was it? How'd you like it?
Badass,
It was
chief.
fun, right?
It was a shit.
Badass.
Bought this car outside.
Some chinchorreo in fucking Humboldt Park.
Who would have thought?
This is what they do in Puerto Rico every fucking weekend.
And we're over here snoozing. Well, I mean, it's raining, dog. We're not gonna talk about it, but
Yeah,
we had a good time.
great time. Shit. Shout out to you for making this happen. Melvin and everybody that came out to support, you know, what we do at Humboldt Park. So
Yeah.
let's get it. Let's get it next month. We're gonna get it again.
See you guys in Michigan, guys.
Yep. We're gonna go race this bitch now.